Is your kitten having frequent runny or watery poops? Diarrhea in kittens can lead to dehydration and other health issues if not treated quickly. Stay tuned as I share my top home remedies to firm up kitten stools fast and get their digestion back on track. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Natural Home Remedy. In this video, I'm going to explain several effective home remedies you can try to treat diarrhea in kittens to get their poop back to normal. Diarrhea can happen for many reasons, including diet changes, infections, parasites, or other illnesses. So being prepared with some safe home treatments on hand can help firm things up before a vet visit is needed. Number 1. Withhold food for 8 to 12 hours. Allowing the digestive system to rest is crucial when diarrhea strikes. This gives the gut time to settle down, reduce inflammation, and reset itself. After the short fasting period, slowly reintroduce bland, easy to digest foods like boiled chicken and rice in small portions. Number 2. Hydration support is vital. Dehydration from fluid and electrolyte loss through diarrhea is very dangerous for kittens. Offer extra hydration like unflavored Pedialyte regularly, with a syringe or dropper. Watch for signs of dehydration like lethargy, dry gums, and skin tenting. If dehydration seems severe, contact your vet right away for fluid injections or other treatment. Number 3. Add soluble fiber like pure pumpkin or sweet potato baby food. Start with a teaspoon or 2 per meal. The fiber and nutrients can help firm up loose stools while providing antioxidants for healing inflammation. Make sure the baby food has no added salt, spices, onions or garlic before giving it. Number 4. Probiotic supplements support healthy gut flora, critical for proper digestion and immunity. Look for probiotic gels or powders formulated specifically for kittens. Give as directed on the packaging. Number 5. Seek immediate vet care if diarrhea persists more than 24 hours without improvement or if kitten seems ill. Severe dehydration, bloody stools, vomiting, lethargy or other concerning symptoms means it's vet visit time for exam, fecal tests for parasites, and possible medication. Don't hesitate to call your vet if anything seems off. Using some of these simple but effective home treatments can often get kitten diarrhea under control within a day or so. Make sure to monitor them closely and reach out to your vet if you have any concerns. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe to my channel, Natural Home Remedy, for more pet health tips.